What's up guys? Check this out. I'm so excited to share this best universal intercooler 27 with you, you don't want to miss it. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First up, let's talk about the design. It's simple yet eye-catching, perfectly balancing style and practicality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. And wait until you hear about the cost. It's affordable without skimping on quality. High-end features for less. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's also incredibly versatile. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, stock is moving fast. Head over to the bio to grab yours before they are gone. Follow for more cool updates. See you soon.